My opinion about the match Indonesia versus Bahrain. Hello everyone, my name is Raffi Fauzan Maesa and today I want to share my opinion about the football match between Indonesia and Bahrain. So honestly, when watch the game I felt really nervous. As an Indonesia, I really hope our national team called to win. The atmosphere was exciting, everyone was full of spirit, but yeah, the reals what know what expect. Still, I think the player gave everything they had on the field. Even though we didn't win, I could see that our player tried so hard. They ran the fuck for the ball and they didn't give up. Actually, maybe sometimes the defense was not very strong or the passing was the perfect. But I think the effort was amazing. It's not easy to play under pressure, especially when people expect a victory. Bahrain on the hand play really well, then they were fast, organized, and very focused. You can see that they had more experience and better coordination. But even though our team showed great energy and teamwork, I think that sometimes to be proud of. I believe football is not just about winning or losing. It's also about passing, teamwork, and learning from every match. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, but the most important thing is to keep improving. I think Indonesia has grown a lot in football, maybe not perfect yet, but definitely bit better than before. When I watch the player, I could feel their emotion. They look disciplined after the match, but also proud because they fought until the end. And I think that what makes me respect them. Football teaches us that success takes time, we need patience, hard work, and unity. If coach says something to the player, I will say, keep fighting, don't give up, because every match is lesson. Every mistake helps us start grow. I'm sure one day Indonesia will be much strong not only in South Asia but also in Asia or even the world. And for us supporters, we should not only cheer when the team wins, we should also support them when they lose because that's what real fans do. Let be positive, give them motivation, and believe the one day we will celebrate big victory together. And the end, even though the result against Bahrain was not so great, I feel proud of the player, proud of the coach, and proud of spirit the soul. This match reminds us that football is not just about goal, it's about heart, teamwork, and national pride. Yeah, this is my opinion about the match between Indonesia and Bahrain. I hope our team keep improving and making us proud in next tournament. Thank you for listening and go Indonesia. Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain about the simple present tense. This is one of the most common tense we use in English. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense talks about things we do every day or things that are always true. We ask it when something happen regularly. Mind functions. Why use is stands for habits, routines, facts, and schedules. For example, I go to school every morning or the sunrise, the eight. Structure positive sentence. Depend in subject plus verb. For example, I read book, I read book, or the play basketball. Positive sentence. He, she, it. If the subject is her, he, or it, we end s or the to verb. For example, he runs fast or she wants TV. Negative sentence. User do not or does not plus the best verb. Example, I don't like tea and he don't work on Sunday. Question sentence. To make a question, we use do or does at the beginning. For example, do you play guitar or does she like her? Verb ending rules we add or change to depending on the verb. Example, west to face, study to studies. Habit and routines. We ask the think tanks to talk about things we do again and again. Example, I brush my teeth every morning. General fact is also so fact the teeth are always true. Example, weather both at the Celsius, time steps and schedules we use in for even with fixed time like the rain leaves at rain leaves at 8 o'clock. In instructions we can also ask in for direction or steps. Example, first mix the sugar and flour. Frequency and verb word like always, usually, sometimes, or never, so often we do something. Example, I always drink coffee in the morning. Position of adverb go before the main verb but after to be. For example, so often studies or is always busy. The verb to be intends to be changed depending on the subject. I am, you, we, they, are, he, she, it is. Negative and questions with to be. Example, negative, I'm not late. Question, is he your teacher? Common mistakes, be careful. Don't say he go to school, say he go to school. Don't say she don't like apples, say she don't like apples. Practice, let's try. My father worked at a hospital. They not watch TV every day. You study English. Practice answer. My father works at a hospital. They don't watch TV every day. Do you study English? Conclusion. So the simple present tense is for habits, fact, and schedules. Keep practicing and you get answer to it. Thank you for listening.